Make a vibrating, light up character tape block. This is a bit of a trick. What we're going to do is we're going to use one of our existing vibrating tape blocks and add an LED to it as well. I'm just moving the vibration motor across so the nose, which will be our LED, can go in the center. So all I'm doing is going to stick the LED down with an extra piece of tape over the existing tape. You can add additional things to tape blocks as long as the conductive tape goes the whole way round. So now we have a light and vibration tape block. Cut a hole in the centre of the fur. This is where the nose will go through. Then put glue on the tape block. Pop the nose, or that light, the LED, through the hole that we cut in the fur and wrap the fur the whole way round. Then glue the rest of it down. I'm using a pin just to hold it while it dries. You can also wrap it in a rubber band. Now I'm going to make space for where the eyes go. It's better to stick the eyes on to short fur because then they won't flop around. It also makes a more interesting character if its hair's going every direction. So once you've separated out where the eyes are going to go, cut the fur away above the nose to stick the eyes down. Pop some glue on and then pop your eyes on. And then we pop the battery in the back. So the battery carrier, as always, just goes between the two pieces of tape. Make sure that one of the pins goes into each piece of tape. There we have a vibrating character with a light up nose.